Welcome back to the Car Updates. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into what makes the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor such an exciting pickup, why it's a favorite among enthusiasts, and what's new this year that sets it apart from anything else on the road. Whether you're into technical details, off-road capability, or just want to know what makes this truck such a unique beast, we'll break it all down. Right away, the 2026 Raptor makes a bold impression. The design is unmistakably aggressive, with an oversized grille featuring bold Ford block lettering, muscular fender flares, skid plates, and a stance that screams authority. The front fascia is sharpened with new LED lighting signatures, while the widened body hints at its off-road readiness. Ford has kept that desert racing DNA alive, but it also added some refinement, making the Raptor look just as good pulling up to a downtown event as it does blasting through sand dunes. Around the back, you'll notice a power tailgate, upgraded LED taillights, and a wider track that contributes to both stability and presence. It's a perfect blend of utility and intimidation, designed not just to be noticed, but to dominate. Under the hood, Ford continues to push performance boundaries. The 2026 Raptor comes with a high-output twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 that's been tuned for even more power this year, delivering upwards of 450 horsepower and over 510 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough muscle to conquer trails, tow heavy loads, or simply thrill drivers on an open road. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the power delivery feels smooth while still giving you that surge of adrenaline when you step on the throttle. And for those who crave even more, the Raptor R version raises the stakes with a supercharged V8, delivering supercar levels of performance in a full-size pickup. This is where Ford separates itself. The Raptor isn't just about being a truck, it's about being a performance machine. But horsepower is just one side of the story. The 2026 F-150 Raptor is engineered for serious off-road abuse. Equipped with Fox Live valve shocks, advanced suspension travel, and a 5-link rear coil spring setup, this truck absorbs terrain like a trophy truck straight out of Baja. Whether it's rock crawling, dune jumping, or muddy trails, the Raptor's adaptive damping adjusts in real time, keeping the ride both controlled and comfortable. It also comes with selectable drive modes that fine-tune everything from throttle response to traction control, letting you seamlessly switch between normal road driving and hardcore off-road action. With 35-inch all-terrain tires as standard and an available 37-inch package, ground clearance is no issue, and the approach, breakover, and departure angles are among the best in its class. Inside, Ford has given the Raptor a cabin that blends ruggedness with modern luxury. Step inside and you're greeted with sport-inspired seats, premium materials, and Raptor-specific accents like carbon fiber trim and unique stitching. A massive 12-inch digital gauge cluster dominates the driver's view, while a large central touchscreen powered by Ford's SYNC4 infotainment system provides everything from navigation to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For audio, the optional Bang & Olufsen sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall. And for those who want functionality, features like a fold-flat work surface and clever storage compartments make the Raptor just as practical as it is powerful. It's a truck that doesn't just take you off-road and comfort it, makes the journey a premium experience. Safety and tech also play a major role in the 2026 Raptor. Ford has loaded this truck with its Co-Pilot 360 driver assistance suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and even Blue Cruise, Ford's hands-free driving system, available on select highways. That means while the Raptor is a hardcore off-roader, it's also surprisingly advanced for daily driving, offering a sense of convenience and confidence that makes it suitable for families and commuters alike. From a towing and hauling standpoint, the Raptor is no slouch either. It's rated to tow up to 8,200 pounds and carry over 1,400 pounds in payload, making it more than capable of handling boats, trailers, or heavy gear. The ProPower onboard generator system adds another layer of versatility, allowing you to run tools, camping equipment, or even charge electronics right from the truck. This dual nature, being both a performance monster and a practical work tool, is part of what makes the Raptor unique in the market. As we look at the bigger picture, the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor isn't just another pickup, it's a statement. It combines raw power, advanced technology, and aggressive styling with genuine practicality. For enthusiasts, it's the ultimate desert runner. For workers, it's a capable hauler. For families, it's a high-tech daily driver that still offers comfort and safety. No other truck on the market blends these roles quite like the Raptor does, and that's why it continues to be in a league of its own. So, if you're looking for a pickup that can handle the toughest terrains, deliver spine-tingling performance, tow and haul like a workhorse, and still make you feel like you're driving something special, the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor deserves a spot at the top of your list. It's bold, it's fast, it's capable, and it's one of the few vehicles that can genuinely do it all. And with that, we wrap up our deep dive into the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor. If you enjoyed this breakdown of its features, performance, and design, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews. And drop a comment below, sharing what you think of Ford's latest off-road powerhouse. Until next time, keep exploring, keep driving, and we'll see you in the next review.